Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olufemi Michael. I'm a data analytics instructor. Before I continue, make sure you like, subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to see more of my videos. Thank you. Now today we'll be looking at trim function. Trim function can be used to remove unwanted spaces from our data. Now I want to use trim function to remove all the spaces on this data. I mean the column A. To do that, I will type equals to trim. You select the text, close your brackets, then hit your OK, and then you can now autofill. Now what do you notice? By the use of trim, it reduce the spaces. Now trim function now helped me to arrange my staff names accordingly. Now, is there another method that can be used to achieve these results? Yes. Now we can use flash fill. Now the shortcut for flash fill is Ctrl E. Now the reality is that when you input the first name into row 1, Microsoft Excel will assist you. It will pop up the other names and arrange them for you accordingly. So what you just need to do is to press enter, and that's all. You know, a person that is not knowledgeable in Microsoft Excel will want to do this manually. We put the first name, put a comma, put a space, then put the second name, then to the second row, to the third row, like that. Now imagine you have 1,000 rows to input. How will you go about that? So let's see the one of flash fill and see how it works. So I will just press Ctrl Z. So let me start now. I'll type John, put my comma, space, and Isaac. Now for the second, I'll type Phillips. Can you see this, what I'm talking about? So Microsoft Excel will assist you, and what you just need to do is to press enter. But if you don't understand this, if you are not knowledgeable with this particular tool, I mean Microsoft Excel, you will just like that, what's going on? You will just delete the row 2 that no, I want to type it manually. Once you do that, Excel will not bring out this option again. So now that Excel has brought out this option, what I will just do is to click enter. So quick. I hope you've learned something. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.